Beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. My name is Leo, aka Mr. Para Papa.
My name is Andy, and today we're checking out Rogue Wave GBB 2021 World League Tag Team Elimination.
Yeah.
Real quick, this team should be illegal.
It's a cheat code.
It's definitely a cheat code. It's a glitch in the system. They should not be allowed because they're just that good.
Beautiful people that are watching us right now, I ask you from the kindness of my heart.
Damn, you actually got kindness in your heart, bro?
I know, it's hard to find. If you're new to the channel, please press the subscribe button. Please. Hey, thank you.
I'm excited to listen to Rogue Wave.
That this man takes years to press.
You literally just had a whole moment from the kindness of my black soul. Like, you had a whole moment, and I can't have.
No one wants to hear you speak, Chief. Press it. Leo, why are you so mean? Press the damn button, bro.
Wow. Yo.
Something so nice.
Coming up next to this stage.
Nice surprise.
Can I get another one? Ooh la la.
Big surprise.
Representing for France, one half river, one half coast.
What is? I feel like I'm watching.
Hello? Can y'all hear me?
I feel like I'm watching a FIFA game.
Roger. Mayday.
What is happening right
We
now?
need to kick Andy out.
I'm gonna go back because I gotta hear that again. Like what it was.
Something so nice.
Coming up next to this stage.
Nice surprise.
Can I get another one? Ooh la la.
Big surprise.
Representing for France,
Yeah, I
one
wanna
half
know what
river,
the
one
surprise
half
is.
collab. Give it up for Rogue Wave.
Rogue Wave, Collapse, and River, their first time representing a GBB as a team. Obviously, 2019 they were both there battling in the solos, not together, not against each other. Rather.
Is that we're getting a commentary on top of a beatbox video.
Is that I don't even have to react. They're reacting for me.
We're gonna stay quiet the whole time, and we're gonna listen.
No. I'm enjoying this. Hold on, bro. Let me hear what they have to say, bro.
It's a surprise. It's a surprise.
I heard that part already. It's the fact that they said it's their first time together on the GBB stage, bro. Be quiet, bro.
Representing a GBB as a team. Obviously, 2019 they were both there battling in the solos, not together, not against each other rather, but in the solo category, and now they are
I
together.
really feel like I'm watching a soccer
Everyone is
match.
excited for Rogue Wave, so I mean, both of them made it to
But are y'all gonna talk the whole video?
which is the biggest category of all. Yes. Now they
Exactly. I
Is
gotta
that-
be tripping.
is
I
that-
gotta be tripping now.
is
Is
that-
this
is-
the actual video?
Is that what in the FIFA?
It's the actual video, bro. I get. Hey, look, y'all hearing it? It's not us. I don't know what's happening.
The FIFA announcers are this.
I just is it gonna be? Are they gonna talk through the whole thing?
I swear to God. Press the button.
Oh my God, this is a great way to start.
Is that
the
you?
week,
Imagine.
bro.
Oh, look, hear the snare. Oh my God. Look at the snare. Look at his shirt. His brand new shirt.
I mean, I'm not trying to make fun of them either.
I'm not trying to make fun of him either, but I'm trying to listen to the beatboxing.
I mean, but Chief, we haven't even got to that part, and you're
know,
already talking.
We're at 30
Shit!
seconds.
No. I'm just gonna play the video. I don't I don't know this man. I'm just simply one dude. That's all I am.
Everyone is excited for Rogue Wave. So
I'm excited too, boys.
Made it to the top in solo category, which is the biggest category of all. And now they're here to try to prove that they can do it.
Y'all ready?
So they might battle against each other, and they will be battling together.
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Two Colombian French.
Yep.
I said y'all ready.
Let's go, Scotty.
Let's do it.
I say the try, you say the turn the Roll wave and it's on you. In try.
Thank you.
Es el nombre del equipo. Hola, furtiva, es el nombre del equipo. La ola es furtiva, peligrosa y derrumba a todos los seres humanos que encuentran en su paso contra de dos entidades que no aceptan el empate y que tienen diversidades de escriben los lenguajes. Y errante con esta mezcla que mantiene estética y mantiene la que parece fácil. Poder francés y sabor colombiano con este combo, este título es gratis.
He visto tu novia mirándome el bigote con mi negocio. Cada algo bello de gigante. Nadie se esperaba la hora y es la hora para sus vidas. Para ti el pensamiento porque se me ha dicho que durante 2 días.
Dale presión en tu cara, mal parido, entendido. Nosotros vamos al top 4. Hey yo, GBB, make some fucking noise!
Well, Rogue Wave, French power, Colombian flavor. Let's switch it up a bit. Are you ready for some UK grind?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Everybody synchronized, bro. Tiempo!
I was telling you, Colombia, France.
Yeah, Colombia, France connection indeed.
My God.
Rogue Wave, River, Collapse. Wow, people bringing the vibes. You saw the energy lift right there once again.
Two of the best French beatboxers, if not saying two of the best beatboxers in the world.
Absolutely.
He's got a nice
Together,
mustache, the
getting
both of them. One more
Spanish
time. Give it up
flavor,
for River, give it up for
Colombian
Class, give it up for Rogue Wave.
Also with that UK grind too.
I know Klebs and River are both big fans of the UK grime style.
Yo, we're Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our video at the Green Beatbox Battle 21.
If you liked our stuff, you can follow us on Instagram at roguewave.bbx. We hope to see you there. Esh.
Yes. I hope you get an ear infection.
Says Mr.
I don't even think I did it this video. Kind of crazy. Listen, if you're new to the channel, make sure to, I'm just hold on, time. I'm just trolling. I mean,
Is that
they
Chief?
literally just they pretty much said it for us, bro.
Is that I'm convinced? Hypothetically speaking, here, Swiss Beatbox grabbed the commentator's voice thingy, audio file, and put it on top of the video.
I honestly think that was a mistake.
I mean, me too.
Oh, that's what you were trying to say the whole time?
Yeah, I think the audio probably got messed up for this performance, and they grabbed the audio from like whatever podcast or radio or whatever they were transmitting. And placed it on the thing.
That's what you mean. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know what you were saying, but now I get what you're saying because you kind of explained it a little deeper, more detailed. I was gonna say that the audio definitely did feel like different.
Like if it was live.
Like if it was you were there, literally. Like if it sounded better in a way.
Yeah.
Like it also sounded like in the beginning it felt like you were kind of far and then they brought you into it. But it definitely sounded different, like more clear. Damn. That's valid, bro.
Like, you know when you listen to, like, say you go to a festival, like Ultra, for example, Ultra live from whatever, blasey. That's what it kind of sounded like.
You could be right, bro. So instead of like them removing, it's very possible. I just thought that they added like the audio file by mistake. Like I thought that, I don't know. Cause it sounds like if it was like a Spanish version
That's what I'm saying.
of the commentary.
That's what I'm saying.
Like for Spanish, I don't know if they have a Spanish version channel or I don't know how that works, to be honest. I didn't even know they had like the translation
I guess,
for other countries.
I guess since
like actually at the
since
cool.
he's Colombian.
For the Spanish peeps. I get it. Definitely get it. Anyways, aside from the audio, I love the fact cause I'm trying to think, like, have we ever heard anybody actually rapping in Spanish? I don't know. Like, I don't think we've ever heard anybody actually rapping. We've heard people rapping in what was it? Was it French? With Mirza? Forgive me. Don't come after me if I'm wrong. But we definitely have heard Mirza rapping in a different language. Brez too. True. Definitely cool because obviously we're Hispanic, so it's cool that we actually can understand, you know, that these guys are rapping in Spanish, and it's kind of mind blowing to us because we've never heard Collapse or River rapping in Spanish. I don't think, not yet. So that was definitely cool as heck. Loved the whole technicality they had between each other because they're both they're cheat code, bro. They're cheat code. By Chico, we mean they're really good. In case you guys are confused by what our little slang or lingo is. And the whole UK grime at the end was pretty slick. Digged it. This man was having a whole dance going on. Oh, yo! Definitely not the song they played, but. Is it this guy is singing and dancing? They were not singing the tequila song, Chief. Or the lowrider song. Whichever one, bro. Like, dog. I was gonna ask you, because growing up, I've heard that song that they did in the beginning. Like, throughout my childhood. My parents are Hispanics. They watch Spanish shows and all that stuff. And I would hear this song. But I don't know whose song it is. Or where it's from.
Bro, isn't that the lowrider?
That? I don't think it was.
I'm pretty sure that was, bro.
I don't think so, bro. We could go back. You want to go back? We can go back. I don't think it was a lowrider, bro.
Can you beautiful people put it in the comments so Andy can see it if it was lowrider or not?
We'll probably check it out after.
But just do it anyways. So he understands.
And what if you're wrong?
Then I take the L. It's a 50-50 here, Chief. And
I mean, obviously, it's simply two dudes.
And I'm willing to bet on it.
How much?
Nothing.
I'm excited.
Nothing.
How much?
Nothing.
I love bets.
Listen, beautiful people, if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna need you to subscribe.
Place your bets.
For the please.
Place your bets.
Like the video for the boys. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell too when we post another video.
Hashtag Team Andy.
Hashtag Team Leo forever. And comment down below what video we should react to next.
Is that forever with like the 4 and then the EVA? Or forever like FOREVER? Forever. Team Leo forever. You gotta let them know before they type both.
Is that either way? I'm still taking the W. Anything else you want to say, sir?
Shout out to Rogue Wave. Shout out to Swiss Beatbox, and shout out to the Beatbox community. We love y'all so much for all the love and support. Yeah.
And remember to keep it simple.
Never, bro.
And
never simple.
We'll see you beautiful people in the next one.
I hope he's wrong.
I'm
he's gonna buy me a drink.
I'm gonna buy you a tequila shot.
Oh my God.
Goodbye.